What's going on, guys? It's Eduardo coming at you, and today I really want to talk about international credit. Now, what does that mean, you might ask? I'm fortunate enough to have credit in Canada, in the US, and in Colombia. So I've really started digging deep on how do the different countries differ in credit. And this is a topic that nobody teaches you. Like really, I've walked into banking institutions asking bankers questions that they don't actually know. By learning this, we can reverse engineer what we want, whether it's getting a mortgage, a loan, credit cards, personal loans, just different things. So the payment history is about 35% of what the whole algorithm of your credit is. So if you've had any late payments or how long the payments have been made, that will include 35%. 30% of it is the utilization. It's something that not many people know. A lot of people think hey, as long as I use my credit card and I pay it off, it's going to benefit me. But what happens? You have a $1,000 limit on a credit card, and let's say you use $800. Your bill comes at $800. You're using 80% of your total limit. At 80%, your utilization is really high. Therefore, it's going to affect your credit negatively. Optimally, you want to have it under 10%, but having it over 50% will affect your credit negatively. Now, the next thing, the 15%, is the history that you have. When you go to a bank, they're gonna look at your previous history, banking relationships, of what you've had before. There's something called your average length. So they put all your accounts together and it's gonna give them the average length of your history. It could be 6 months or three years. The best to have is 6 years or more. Another thing is your credit mix. So for example, having a mixture of revolving credit cards, having an auto loan, having a mortgage, having a personal loan, having that mixture of credit is what we call having the data points. The banks look at certain data points so that they know that you have a mixture of credit. The more accounts that you have, the less riskier that you look to the financial institutions. And finally, guys, is the inquiries. What are the inquiries? And every time that you apply for credit, you get an inquiry. There's hacks that I also teach where you're able to get, let's say, 6 credit cards with only 2 or 3 inquiries. I'm always on Instagram adding value, guys, so hope you got some value out of this. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate every single one of you guys, and have an amazing day.